The ocelot. The ocelot is a small wild cat native to Central and South America. These animals are known for their beautiful coat and impressive hunting skills. We are going to explore the many fascinating aspects of ocelots, including their physical characteristics, social behavior, hunting skills, birth factors, and average age. Physical characteristics of ocelots. Ocelots are small wild cats that have a unique and striking coat. They have short fur that is typically a golden yellow or grayish-brown color with black spots and stripes. Their distinctive coat provides excellent camouflage in their natural habitat. Ocelots are built for agility and hunting. They have long, slender bodies and powerful legs that allow them to move quickly through the forest. They also have sharp retractable claws and teeth that they use to capture their prey. Social behaviors of ocelots. Ocelots are primarily solitary animals, and they typically only interact with other ocelots during the mating season. They are territorial and will defend their territory from other animals, including other ocelots. During the mating season, male ocelots will travel long distances to find a mate. Females will mate with multiple males and give birth to litters of 1 to 4 kittens. Hunting skills of ocelots. Ocelots are skilled hunters and are capable of taking down a wide range of prey, including birds, rodents, rabbits, and even small deer. They are primarily nocturnal hunters and will use their excellent sense of hearing, sight, and smell to locate their prey. Ocelots are ambush hunters and will quietly stalk their prey before launching a surprise attack. They will often leap from the ground and pounce on their prey, using their sharp claws and teeth to deliver a fatal blow. Birth factors of ocelots. Ocelots have a gestation period of around 79 to 82 days, and females will typically give birth to litters of 1 to 4 kittens. The kittens are born blind and helpless and will rely on their mother for food and protection. The mother will nurse the kittens for several months before introducing them to solid food. At around 6 months of age, the kittens will be fully weaned and will begin to hunt on their own. Average age of ocelots. In the wild, ocelots typically live for around 7 to 10 years. However, ocelots can live up to 20 years in captivity if they are well cared for. Conservation of ocelots. Ocelots are currently classified as a least concern species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, their population has declined in some areas due to habitat loss and hunting. To help protect ocelots, conservation efforts have been implemented to preserve their natural habitat and prevent illegal hunting. Some organizations have also established programs to educate local communities about the importance of conserving these magnificent creatures and to reduce human-wildlife conflict. The bobcat. The bobcat, also known as Lynx rufus, is a medium-sized wildcat found throughout North America. They are known for their distinctive spotted coat, tufted ears, and short tail. We will explore the various aspects of bobcats, including their average age, hunting skills, birth factors, physical characteristics, and social behaviors. Average age of bobcats. Bobcats have an average lifespan of 7 to 10 years in the wild, although they can live up to 15 to 20 years in captivity. Their lifespan is dependent on a variety of factors, including their health, food availability, and interactions with humans. Hunting skills of bobcats. Bobcats are skilled hunters and are able to take down prey much larger than themselves, including rabbits, rodents, and birds. They use their excellent eyesight and hearing to locate prey, and their powerful legs allow them to pounce on prey with great speed and agility. Bobcats are solitary hunters and prefer to hunt at night when their prey is most active. They are also known for their ability to stalk their prey silently and without being noticed, making them highly effective hunters. Birth factors of bobcats. Female bobcats reach sexual maturity at around 1 to 2 years of age, and males at around 2 to 3 years. The breeding season for bobcats typically occurs between February and April, and females will give birth to a litter of 1 to 6 kittens after a gestation period of 50 to 70 days. Bobcat kittens are born blind and helpless, and their eyes will not open until they are around 10 days old. The mother will care for the kittens, feeding them with her milk and teaching them how to hunt and survive in the wild. The kittens will remain with their mother for around 8 to 11 months before they become independent. Physical characteristics of bobcats. Bobcats are easily recognized by their spotted coat, which can vary in color from brown to gray. Their coat helps to camouflage them in their natural habitat, making them difficult to spot. They also have tufted ears, which are used to help them hear prey, and a short tail that is used for balance. Bobcats are medium-sized cats, weighing between 15 to 35 pounds, with males being larger than females. They have a muscular body that is built for speed and agility, and their legs are long and powerful, allowing them to run and jump with ease. Social behaviors of bobcats. Bobcats are solitary animals and do not form social groups like some other wild cats. They establish territories that can range from 5 to 20 square miles and mark their boundaries using urine and feces. They are highly territorial and will defend their territory from other bobcats and predators. The fishing cat, Prionelurus vivarinus. The fishing cat, Prionelurus vivarinus, is a small wildcat that is found primarily in South and Southeast Asia. Despite their name, they are not true aquatic animals but are well adapted to life in and around water. Average age of fishing cats. The average lifespan of fishing cats in the wild is approximately 10 to 12 years, although they have been known to live up to 16 years in captivity. Their lifespan is influenced by several factors, including their environment, food availability, and genetic factors. Hunting skills of fishing cats. Fishing cats are highly skilled hunters and primarily feed on fish, crustaceans, and small mammals, such as rodents and birds. They have several unique adaptations that allow them to hunt in and around water, including webbed toes, partially retractable claws, and a flexible spine. Fishing cats are also excellent swimmers and have been observed diving and swimming underwater to catch their prey. They use their keen sense of hearing and sight to locate their prey, and then they pounce, grabbing their prey with their sharp claws. Birth factors of fishing cats. Fishing cats have a breeding season that typically occurs between November and January. The gestation period is around 63 days, and females typically give birth to litters of 2 to 4 kittens. The kittens are born blind and helpless, and they remain with their mother for around 10 months before becoming independent. Physical characteristics of fishing cats. Fishing cats are small to medium-sized cats, with males typically larger than females. They have a muscular build and a short, dense coat that is typically grayish-brown in color with distinctive spots and stripes. Their eyes are large and set wide apart, allowing them to have excellent vision. One of the unique features of fishing cats is their partially webbed toes, which allows them to swim and walk on marshy and muddy terrain without sinking. Their ears are also small and rounded, and they have a flattened head that helps them navigate through water and hunt prey. Social behaviors of fishing cats. Fishing cats are primarily solitary animals, and they typically only interact with other cats during the breeding season. However, they are not territorial and will sometimes share their home range with other cats. They communicate using a range of vocalizations, including hisses, growls, and meows. Fishing cats are also known to be active at night and spend much of their time hunting, resting, and patrolling their home range. They are solitary animals but can sometimes be seen hunting in pairs, especially when hunting larger prey. Conservation of fishing cats. Fishing cats are currently listed as a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, hunting, and the pet trade. Their population has declined rapidly in recent years, and it is estimated that there are fewer than 10,000 individuals left in the wild. To help protect fishing cats, conservation efforts have been implemented to preserve their natural habitat and prevent illegal hunting. Some organizations have also established programs to educate local communities about the importance of conserving these magnificent creatures and to reduce human-wildlife conflict. The sand cat. The sand cat, also known as Felis margarita, is a small wildcat species that lives in the deserts of North Africa and Southwest Asia. Despite their small size, sand cats are skilled hunters and have a unique set of physical and behavioral characteristics that enable them to thrive in their harsh desert environment. Average age. Sand cats have an average lifespan of around 10 to 12 years in the wild, but they can live up to 13 to 14 years in captivity. Their lifespan is affected by factors such as predation, disease, and availability of food and water. Hunting skills. Sand cats are primarily nocturnal hunters, and their hunting skills are unmatched. They have highly sensitive ears that can detect prey from a distance, even under the sand. They also have sharp retractable claws that they use to catch their prey and climb trees to avoid predators. Sand cats are opportunistic hunters and feed on a wide range of prey, including rodents, birds, reptiles, and insects. Birth factors. Sand cats are solitary animals, and males and females only come together to mate during the breeding season, which occurs between January and March. After a gestation period of around 2 months, the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 kittens. The kittens are born blind and helpless, and they rely on their mother for food and protection. The mother will nurse her kittens for around 3 months, after which they will begin to learn how to hunt and survive on their own. Physical characteristics. Sand cats are small cats, with a height of around 20 to 30 centimeters and a weight of around 1.5 to 3.5 kilograms. They have a stocky build, short legs, and large ears that help them regulate their body temperature in the hot desert environment. Sand cats have a unique set of physical characteristics that enable them to survive in their harsh desert environment, including a thick coat of fur that insulates them from the heat and cold and thick pads on their feet that enable them to walk on hot sand without burning their paws. Social behaviors. Sand cats are solitary animals, and they spend most of their time hunting and defending their territory. They communicate with other sand cats using scent markings and vocalizations, but they do not form social groups like other wild cats. However, during the breeding season, males and females will come together to mate, and the female will raise her kittens until they are ready to hunt and survive on their own. Wildcats, Felis sylvestris. Wildcats, Felis sylvestris, are a small but powerful predator that are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are a close relative of the domestic cat, but they have retained many of their wild traits, including their hunting skills and solitary nature. Average age of wildcats. The average lifespan of a wildcat is around 12 years, although they can live up to 15 years in the wild. Like other cats, wildcats are vulnerable to disease, hunting, and habitat loss, which can reduce their lifespan. Hunting skills of wildcats. Wildcats are skilled hunters that primarily prey on small mammals such as mice, voles, and rabbits. They use their excellent sense of hearing, sight, and smell to locate their prey, and they are known for their stealth and agility when stalking and capturing their prey. Unlike domestic cats, wildcats are solitary hunters and do not rely on humans to provide them with food. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. Birth factors of wildcats. Wildcats are typically solitary animals, and males and females only come together during the mating season, which occurs from January to March. The gestation period is around 63 to 68 days, and females give birth to litters of 1 to 6 kittens. The kittens are born blind and helpless and are entirely dependent on their mother for food and protection. The mother will nurse her kittens for around 2 to 3 months before weaning them and teaching them how to hunt. Physical characteristics of wildcats. Wildcats have a small, muscular body that is built for agility and speed. They have short, thick fur that is typically gray or brown in color, with darker stripes or spots on their legs and tail. They have a rounded head with a short muzzle and large, pointed ears. Their eyes are large and yellow, with a vertical pupil that allows them to see in low light conditions. They have sharp teeth and retractable claws that they use for hunting and climbing. Social behaviors of wildcats. Wildcats are solitary animals and do not typically form social bonds with other cats. However, they do establish territories that they will defend against other cats of the same sex. Males typically have larger territories than females and will defend them against other males. Wildcats are also known for their territorial marking behavior, which involves spraying urine and scratching trees to establish their presence in an area. Please subscribe our channel. Like the video and press bell icon.